Bring your attention to your forehead and soften your forehead. Soften the muscles of your eyebrows. Soften the muscles of your eyes all around your eyes. Soften your cheeks and muscles of your mouth. Soften your chin and your jaw. Soften the muscles of your neck, the front, side, and the back. Soften your shoulders. Soften the muscles of your upper arms and around your elbows. And soften your lower arms and all of your fingers. You feel like they're melting away like jelly. Going to the back of your body, soften the top of your back. And then all the muscles of your back are softening, going down your spine, softening your lower back. And coming to the front, soften the muscles below your collarbones, softening your chest. Soften all the muscles between your ribs. Soften your upper belly and your lower belly. Soften your upper legs and the muscles around your knees. Soften your lower legs and muscles around your ankles. Soften muscles of your upper part of your feet. All your toes. Between your toes and the bottoms of your feet. I'm going to introduce a tracking note, the gong sounds. A moment. Okay. So
You don't know what an AI work.
what's this? Sorry, I don't know why this is happening. Oksana, sorry about that. Weird. Here we go. Oksana, can you hear the gong? Okay. Closing your eyes. This is the high note for breathing in through your nose. And this is the low note for breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathe in, belly gets bigger. Breathe out, belly gets smaller. Breathe in. Breathe out. Soft breath in. Soft breath out through your nose. Effortless breath in. Effortless breath out. Breathing in, belly gets bigger. Breathing out, belly gets smaller. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Watch with your mind's eye the breath going in. Breathe out. Watch your mind's eyes. Breath going out. Breathe in. Breathing out. Soft, gentle breath in. Soft, gentle breath out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathe in, belly gets bigger. Breathe out, belly gets smaller. Breathing in. No need to fill up all your lungs. Breathe out. No need to squeeze out all the breath. Just let the breath guide your body gently. Breathing in. Breathing out. As you breathe in, watch the breath go in your body. Breathe out, watch the breath lead the body. Breathing in gently, effortlessly. Breathe out gently, effortlessly. You might have thoughts occurring to you, or you might have constant thoughts. When you notice that you have thoughts, just catch your thought and let it float by like a cloud in the sky, and return to your breathing. Breathing in. Breathing out. When you have thoughts, just the fact that you catch it and understanding that you are thinking helps us be much more aware of what's happening inside of us. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Now let's imagine that there is energy moving inside of our body like a wave in the sea. As you breathe in, move the energy to the top of your head. And breathe out, move it to the base of your spine. Breathing in, energy goes to the top of your head. Breathe out, energy goes to the base of your spine. Breathe in, top of your head. Breathe out, base of your spine. Breathe in, wave moves to the top of your head. breathe out, wave moves to the base of your spine, top of your head, base of your spine, top of your head, base of your spine. Continue breathing like this a few times on your own. As I fade out the music, please continue breathing. Now you can return your breath in the rhythm that you want it to be in, and bring your attention to the bottom of your feet. And bring all of your attention to between your ankles. And bring your attention to behind your knees, where your knees bend. And then bring your attention to the top of your legs, where your legs meet your body. And then bring your attention to below your belly button and put your focus there. Bring your attention to the center of your belly. And then move your focus to the center of your chest. And make an observation. What are the sensations and feelings of the body? And then bring your attention to your throat and make an observation. Bring your attention to the area between your eyebrows. And bring your attention to your crown, to the top of your head. And imagine a bright light coming out of there. Beautiful bright light of your favorite color. And then imagine that light filling your entire room, making your room warm and bright. And that light touches you on your forehead, on your cheeks, on your arms, and your feet. And you enjoy from this sensation. When you're ready, you can start stirring your body. Maybe you can move your fingers or your toes, adjusting if you want to. And you can open your eyes, looking around your room to get readjusted